Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a little Harry Potter using only a black pen and marker. Easy, simple and super magical. Okay, let me tell you a tiny amazing story about a mini in Harry Potter. Okay, there was a little boy at Hogwarts who was not very good at fancy spells, but he had one secret power. He loved drawing magical creatures on his notebook. One day he drew a tiny lightning bolt using only a black pen. His drawing sparkled and turned into real magic. Everyone asked, "How did you do that without a wand?" He smiled and said, "Art is my magic." And today, buddies, we are drawing our own tiny magical hero, cute, brave, and full of charm, using just a pen. Let's start. Okay guys, our little Harry Potter drawing is almost going to complete. See how magical he looks even with only black pen and marker. Just like the mini wizard from our story. He proves that magic does not always need the colors. Sometimes it comes from creativity. If you love this drawing and magical story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cute art adventure drawings. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep smiling.